Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a mukbang and a cook with us featuring our ramen, and it is ramen inside of a mason jar. So we're just pouring the ingredients in the pan to cook, and come along with us for this journey.
All right, y'all, we have our chopsticks ready to go. We have PF Chang's sesame sauce. We have our seasoning that we're gonna put in our ramen. We have our ramen in the mason jars, and we have our toppings that are seasoned and already cooked. Let's go.
Hi guys.
All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. We got our PF Chang sesame seasoning. We have our toppings, and we're gonna go ahead and load our toppings in. I'm gonna have some sweet corn, some green onion, some sauteed red onion, some carrot, some sauteed sausage, and some sauteed mushrooms, baby bella mushrooms to be exact. All right, there you're gonna put yours in there. What you want in it? What do you want in it?
Corn.
Okay.
Veggies.
All right. Okay. Now that we have our toppings in there, we're gonna add our seasoning. Here, put yours first. 1, 2. 1, and I might as well just scoop the rest of that up in there. And for me, I'm gonna add the sesame sauce because I like sesame sauce in mine, and it gives it a little bit of a sweet taste. So I'm gonna add just like a tablespoon of it. You want sauce? I'll just put a dab in yours because you don't really like sauce stuff like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and put our tops on. Put the top on. It's all in there, y'all. It's all in there. Get up close, babe. Let them see that thing. You want to get that sauce up in there? Put it back in there.
A little more sauce in there. You can put a little more sauce in there.
Here's your...
Can we open it?
You can open it. Did you shake it good?
I think I need a little more sauce.
I think you're good with sauce. Yours look yellow like mine.
Okay.
Open your chopsticks. Y'all, I don't know how to be holding no chopsticks, so we just gonna broke mine. How you opened yours? It's the opposite way. I thought it was supposed to go this way. Okay, hold on. Whatever. Let's do it. Let's get into it.
I'm not saying.
Hold on, y'all.
Okay, hold on. Oh, okay.
Let's get into this.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
How did you? Mama. How do you?
Now I will say, probably need just a little tad bit more of salt. So I'm gonna grab some salt.
That's good.
What you think, Zach?
It's good. It's good.
It's pretty good, y'all.
I it's a little bit harder to eat it with chopsticks.
You're supposed to use this pincher finger as what you grab the stuff with. See? You look. Look, babe. Babe, look. That's how you do it. If you try this at home, let us know. Tag us in it. Let us know how it goes. For us,
It's
good.
bussin'.
And if you're looking for a healthy alternative or like a vegan option, omit the sausage and put in healthy options, you know? Put some kale in there, spinach or something. Put some different kind of mushrooms in there. And I saw this idea from a guy on TikTok. I'm gonna tag his name in this video so y'all can see the original video. But it was a ramen soup or something like that he called it. And I'm not sure if he pre-made any of his toppings, but he put it all in the mason jar and just ate it with rice noodle. But see, ours is not rice noodle, it's ramen. So,
But it's really good.
yeah.
It's really good. I think it's like, I'm gonna give this is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yep. What are you gonna rate it?
10 out of 10 because it's busting.
For real. I'm tearing it up. No matter what.
And the flavors in it are really, really good. Right?
Really good. I like it.
It's like a little bit of heat because I put some seasoned pepper in it. So it's a little spicy,
A little,
but
it's
not
okay.
too much.
It's not
Not
that.
too much, right, babe?
Yeah, not too much.
Look
but
at this. Get into it.
Exactly. How did you get that much? I only can get like a little bit.
I told you how. You gotta use your pincher finger.
I got it. Whoa, look at that steaming. It's so good.
It takes a minute to get a hold of like chopsticks, but once you do, you get the gist. It's just like using any other utensil. For the first time, you gotta learn how to work it, then you able to do it.
I'm gonna get down there.
Get down in there, girl.
I never ate this like in my life. Like not this type of ramen. This is my first time eating this. Mama, is this
It's
your
pretty
first
good.
time?
Like this, yes. Because you know I'm a big ramen person.
A big ramen person.
I love ramen.
She loves ramen. I like it too. It's okay.
But this is my first time making
This-
mason jar ramen.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get up and.
I'm going to add a little more of the toppings and a little more of the sauce in mine. Because I think I need just a little bit more.
Me too.
A dibble dabble. Maybe like another teaspoon or so.
Yeah, another teaspoon. I'm gonna go ahead and
Okay.
shake that up.
Not yet. I'm going to add my toppings. I'm going to add a little bit more sausage and corn and veggies
Vegetables.
in mine.
I love veggies.
Did you want more toppings?
I would love more of those.
Go ahead and put them in. Uh-oh.
I would love to.
Get you some more and put them in there. I'm going to take my chopsticks out, y'all. Give it one last little shake here. Give it one last little shake. You see that? Can y'all see that goodness up in there?
I'm going to shake it up as well. Because you need to shake it up. If you add more, I think you need to shake it up.
You definitely have to shake it up if you add more.
Oh wow, guys, look at that. It looks delicious, which is it is. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Yeah, I knew I needed a little bit more sauce.
What's y'all's favorite food? Comment below. All right, overall, babe, what would you put in differently here?
Well, I would put like veggies and like probably the same thing because it's bussin' right now. So I would probably put some veggies, a lot of veggies because I like veggies, and maybe maybe the same thing.
Y'all can tell that I like it by the way I'm eating. So
I love it. I just can't try
let
to.
me tell you something. Let me get a napkin.
It is bussin'.
Let me tell you something. It make you want to drink the juice. I'm probably gonna drink the juice. I mean, if you made your own ramen, if you know what's in it, ain't nothing wrong with drinking it.
It's
and ours
summer.
is healthy. Use spring water as our base. We didn't buy any vegetable broth from the store. We went and did our own, right back?
Yeah.
We had our own spices. So it's healthy for us to drink ours when we're done. Which is what I'm going to do. And she definitely needs to drink hers because she wasn't feeling too hot today. So that'll be like her soup. Let me give me a swig of water. And it's definitely fulfilling. If you fill yours up to the top of the mason jar, it's definitely fulfilling. It's enough for a whole meal. You know what I mean?
Mama,
It may not
ate
be
it
enough.
fast.
Yeah, I did eat mine fast. I was hungry. What you trying to say?
Huh?
She tried. Oh, okay. Don't be telling everybody I ate mine fast. Girl, embarrassing me. Anyways, I mean, I'm gonna finish mine up, honey. But if you want more than one serving, I would say you're gonna have to make each person a mason jar because it's not enough to share, especially if you're hungry. You're gonna need the mason.
I don't got what to do, Mama. And how is it even going on here?
I'm telling y'all, this is bussin'. Try it at home.
Hey, Mama, you
Try
ate
it.
real fast, man.
Also, let me know what y'all favorite
Ramen.
y'all favorite dishes are below. Let us know what we should try next.
For real.
Okay, man. What's your favorite
Milk?
food? Yeah, milk.
Basically this.
Girl, please. You eat pizza a whole lot.
Well, maybe Chick-fil-A.
Oh, Chick-fil-A is your favorite.
Well, it's my favorite. A little bit. It's almost my favorite. But this is seriously my favorite. So, Mama.
What is almost your favorite, girl? What does that even mean?
That Chick-fil-A is almost my favorite, but it's not.
So, okay. So you have more than one favorite food is what you're saying.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all the honest truth. Once you get down to the bottom, yeah, you might get frustrated because you're trying to get all the small stuff with chopsticks. Yeah. You might have to go and get you that spoon or that fork and go and scoop it out. Or transfer it to a bowl. Because y'all see all the little stuff I'm trying to get.
Get it forward.
Girl, goodness in the bottom there, y'all.
Dang, Mama, I'm
Ooh,
trying to
give
get
it to it.
more.
That's what I get for showing off. That's what I get. I dropped the whole lump. But I got it right back. Babe, don't be laughing.
You ate it off the table.
I didn't eat it off the table.
You.
You the one who be eating off the table. I don't eat off the table.
Stop.
Not that our table dirty or nothing, but if I drop it on the table, it's going to trash. But they'll eat stuff off of anywhere.
Mama.
I'm just telling the people the truth.
No.
They
don't need to know.
Y'all need to know.
I don't eat stuff off of the table.
Y'all, let's get into the nitty gritty. You hear me?
Damn, Mama, you
To the
was
nitty,
really hurt.
to the nitty, to the gritty. You hear me? All them down up there. They gotta get 8. They gotta get 8, right? They still got a whole freaking mason jar full of ramen.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Show them your bowl. Why you got that blocking your bowl? Show them. I mean your mason jar. Look at this messy eater. Look at the table. You dropping everything. You ain't eating nothing. You dropping everything. That ain't funny. Cause who gonna clean it up? It's for sure gonna be you.
No.
You tripping, cause I ain't cleaning it up. Alright, I'm finna drink it, y'all. I'm finna drink it. Baby, you can't tell me nothing, okay? Hands down. I'm a ramen chef at this point. Right, babe? I'm a ramen chef. Round of applause for moi. Chef Gordon Ramsay, watch out. Watch out. Because, baby, I ain't got nothing on my ramen. I don't even know if he cooked ramen. Do he cook ramen?
Yes.